Hey guys, if you're studying for the IELTS speaking test, listen up. You might be making one crucial mistake that's costing you half a band score right now. What is it? You're using simple, boring words too often. Words like good, bad, big, and happy, they're everywhere and the examiner is tired of hearing them. The secret to scoring a 7 or higher in vocabulary isn't using huge, complicated words. It's about being precise and showing you have range. I call this the core word swap. You identify the simple words you overuse and immediately replace them with something stronger and more interesting. It's an instant vocabulary upgrade. Let's break down the 5 biggest offenders and what to swap them for. Get your notebooks ready. Stop saying good. Instead of, that's a good idea, say, that's a beneficial idea, or that approach is incredibly advantageous. See, much better. Stop saying bad. Instead of, smoking is bad for your health, say, smoking is detrimental to your health. That word, detrimental, is a fantastic high-level swap. Stop saying big and very. Instead of, there was a very big problem, say, there was a significant problem, or even better, a substantial issue. Don't just use very, use a stronger adjective instead. Stop saying important. Instead of, education is important for kids, say, education is crucial or vital for children. You can also use a great phrase, it plays a key role. That sounds so natural. Stop saying happy. Instead of, I felt so happy when I passed the test, say, I was delighted, or I felt a great sense of contentment. Use contentment. It's a great vocabulary marker. How do you apply this during the exam? It's about preemptive substitution. Imagine the examiner asks, what is a good way to stay happy? A low-scoring answer might be, I think exercise is very good for me, and it helps me feel happy. A high-scoring answer, using our alternatives, would be, from my perspective, engaging in regular physical activity is profoundly beneficial. Not only does it have a positive impact on my health, but it also allows me to feel completely contented. Notice the difference? We immediately replaced good with beneficial and positive impact, and we swapped happy for contented. This demonstrates range and precision. Here's your homework. Pick 3 of these swaps and use them in your daily conversations today. Don't just memorize them. You need to practice them out loud until they become automatic. When you do that, you'll find these high-scoring words just flow out of you in the exam. If you found this helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more simple IELTS hacks, and tell me in the comments, what simple word do you use too much? I'll give you a better alternative. Good luck with your study.